At the Erin Andrews trial today, attorneys for the former Nashville Marriott owners put a psychologist on the stand.
That psychologist said despite the online release of the video of Andrews showing her without clothes on in her Nashville hotel room, she's been able to function well. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb joins us from the courthouse. And Jason, the defense once again brought up Andrews' career success.
That's right, and that psychologist says that Erin Andrews' success that she has achieved despite the release of that video shows just how resilient and stable she really is. On the stand for the defense today, Dr. Kimberly Brown, a clinical psychologist who assessed Erin Andrews after her stalker released video of her naked, shot through the peephole of her Nashville hotel room in 2008.
She is a resilient, stable person who functions fairly well psychologically despite the horrible experiences she's been through.
The psychologist says she diagnosed Andrews with only a mild case of post-traumatic stress disorder.
So the reason I consider it mild is because on the spectrum of traumatic experiences that people can go through, this experience is considered a relatively mild trauma.
While defense attorneys walked the jury through Andrews' skyrocketing career following the release of the video, the psychologist said that's an indication that Andrews was able to function well despite the release of the video.
It does relate to the issue of overall life functioning, of psychological functioning.
Andrews is seeking $75 million from her now convicted stalker, Michael Barrett, who shot the video of Andrews and the operators of the Nashville Marriott in 2008. Defense attorneys have argued that Barrett is the one at fault, not the hotel. And the psychologist who looked at Andrews said today her emotional distress stemming from the video's release isn't severe or permanent.
And the reason I say that is because we have very well researched, validated treatments that work for PTSD.
More witnesses for the defense are expected to be called tomorrow as the trial rolls on. And court will be back open tomorrow at 9 a.m. We're told that there will be 4 more witnesses that the defense wants to put on the stand. Reporting live in Nashville, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.